Vanakkam, what is the single most powerful invention in the human history? Many people may say the wheels or the printing press or even the discovery of fire. But there is another contender, an invention that started as a dream of mechanical gears and became a room-sized giant powered by thousands of vacuum tubes and eventually become an invisible engine that runs the entire modern world. This is the story of the computer. Let's start our exploration. So, where does the story begins? What was the computer before electricity was even a thing? For that, we have to go back to 1800 and meet a man named as Charles Babbage. He was a dreamer who designed the giant, which is the mechanical thinking machine made up of gears and powered by steam. His idea was the first blueprint for the computer, but the technology wasn't ready for his vision yet. So he can't made it. While Charles Babbage's mechanical dream was in hold, a different revolution was happening. The humanity was learning to tame the electricity. In 1800, there is another man named as Alexander Volto. He invented the first battery, which gives a steady source of electric current for the first time. This one invention unlocked everything. In 1830s, Michael Faraday discovered the electromagnetic induction, which is the principle behind the electric generator and electric motor. Suddenly, we can create and use electricity in a massive scale. After that, we created the electric telegraph in 1837, which used to send messages across continents. After that, in 1876, we created telephone, which is used to send voices through wire. After that, there comes our Thomas Edison in 1879, which he invented the light bulb, which lights up our world. After that, there is a war between current happened with Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla in 1800. After that, everything was in order. But what was the final force the computer to be become electronic? The answer lies between the World War II, the need for breaking enemy codes. To break the enemy codes or decipher the enemy codes, the need for that was happened more. In Britain, started creating a computer called as Colossal in 1943, which helps to break the German code. It was a massive machine using thousands of vacuum tubes to perform calculations far faster than any humans on the time. Okay. After that, there is also another computer which is invented by USA. It's called as ENIT. It was invented in 1945. Uh, it is also based on vacuum tubes. Those are the two computers invented on the timeline. But that still leaves the biggest question, right? How did we get from 30-ton giant to the technology what we are right now? The answer comes in 1947, which is created by transistors. This tiny component replaces thousands of big and hot vacuum tubes and make computers smaller and much more easier and reliable. That was the first step. After that, but the biggest game changer came in 1958, the integrated circuit or the microchip, or you can call it as IC. This innovation allows thousands of transistors to be attached onto a single tiny chip of silicon. This lead the microprocessor in 70s, in 1970s, which puts the entire computer in a CPU on one chip, and finally we made the personal computers possible with the help of Apple and Microsoft chips. This was the story. After that, there is the era of now. So, what is the next generational change? We are right now in the place. We are entering into the age of artificial intelligence and quantum computer and even the brain computer and the future AGI and all are keep on coming. The history of constant change and improvement is exactly why I created the Infinity Iteration. We are here to understand the technology and learn the skills to be a part of what comes next. If you are ready for that journey, Make sure you hit all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep our learning together.